Where's the hose? Try not to fall in this time. Oh, you're gonna skirt it, fucker. Oh. Oh, he's under. Yeah. Oh. He's out. His paddle. His paddle's right there on the left. I mean, I'll walk it up to him. That's cool. Yeah. Yeah, when he hit that rock, and I got it. I got it. That'll be a good one.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Oh, as long as my camera's on right now. That'd be the worst one to fucking miss, dude. That's gonna be the best one.